Today, Noel, Brandon, and I are going to be fishing in Guadalupe. Welcome back. You gotta do an intro. It looks stupid, but why not? Hey. Welcome back, guys. We're at Guadalupe Beach. We are gonna be heading down towards that point. Still walking. Got a ways to go. Yeah, stepping. So here's where we started, and after about a mile and a half of walking the beach, we finally arrived where we were going to fish. So let's get started. Which one of these juicy guys do I want to use? How about you? You're crawling around, you're acting lively. Okay? The little one. We are going to go with the split shot today. So we have the sandworm on top.
I don't know if I can even get past the breakers.
Sand crab. And a weight.
Go back.
First cast out. Wait for a little bit of a lull. And I'm missing my sand crab already. Man, I already got. Did I catch something? Oh, yeah! What did he take? The sandworm. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Look at that. Not a big one, but they're here. We are keeping that one. So using the circle hooks, side of the mouth just like it should. Gotcha, buddy. Gotcha. Fish number one. So I have to cast that way so it doesn't get pushed instantly into the surf. Another twist in the line. Kidding me? It happened the other day and it broke. Fuck it! Sand crabs keep falling off. That or they're getting nibbled.
So that was sandworm right there?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shit. Alright.
Oh, my ear!
Yeah.
Sandworm, okay. You want to stay here? You want to migrate a little bit?
We can migrate. I'm not quite. Where you going, buddy?
Did you feel that though when you caught it?
What?
Felt it?
Oh, yeah. The end was, I mean, there's like the normal, like a little bobble because of the surf. But then now it was just like, you know, like tugging a little bit, so. Beautiful day though. Yeah, this tip with this weight, it is sensitive enough to kind of feel it. So that's a good thing. Yep. Should probably open my bail. No. Oh, that's the spot right there. Felt like something was on there. Somewhere out there. Oh no. I'm already pushed back in. I felt like I got something. You see that end twitch? It was twitching. Oh! No, it felt like it just popped off. Ah! Please be something there. Oh, there's a little something. Nothing. Meow, meow, meow. Wait for it. How about now? How about now? How about now? How about now? Where the frack was that going? Way over there. That sucks. Oh, that's a good size. Oh, that's a dinner for two, right? Okay, maybe one. Easy release. Put them up. Let's see it. That's good.
Dude, I had so many.
So regroup. Now just using a Carolina setup because the split shot snapped off. Didn't open the bail all the way. Make sure the bail's open. We're going to try the sand crab. Sand flea. Let's go. And premature closure and snapped it off again.
I think what actually happened is I bumped it with my finger when I released the line.
Well, that sucked.
So that was number 2 that I had broken off, and while I was struggling with that and continuing to retie, Noel was on fire.
Catch number 2 for Noel. Good size.
Came off my hook.
Oh, easy release, but he still got it. Nice. Nice.
And at this time, a fisherman who was walking up and down the shore cast out where we were at, and he caught a really big one.
Nice. That's your first one?
Yeah.
Dude, look at the size of that thing. That's my hand. That's huge. That's plump guy right there.
Yeah.
He's been eating well.
Okay.
Good job. Was that a number 5?
Oh,
Or more? Good one.
dude, it's like the right time I had to go on.
Nice one. Dude, that is awesome. That is huge.
Take a picture. Dude, oh my god, bro. Look at this shit.
What is the weight on that?
I don't know, but is that not heavy?
All right, let's get a scale.
That's gotta be 2 pounds. This shit's heavier.
2 pounds.
Really?
There are some fish. Man, that's a big guy you got. That was a slaunch. So we moved spots. Finally got one. It's a little small dinker one. But yeah, I think this spot will work a little bit better. Let's go put that in the bucket and keep going. You know that moment of excitement when you feel like a big fish is on your line and you give it a good yank to set the hook, you reel in, and your leader's gone, and whatever fish that was got away. Dang it. All right, so we're gonna call it quits. So now the long road back. So I didn't realize how far down we walked. We were way down that way. We still have, you can't really see it, but the parking lot's back over there, so we probably got another, what, mile?
It's not that far.
Somewhere. We're taking a little break. He's gonna get one more cast in. One more cast. Brandon caught 5 total. I caught him easily 2. And Noel here, winner. He caught 2 giant slaunches and so many that he just started throwing them back. Just, what are you gonna do with that many fish? Hey, so back at the house, as you can see, and now it is time to start cleaning some fish. So I caught 2. Brandon caught 5. He didn't keep all of them, and Noel caught, like I said, a bunch of them, and they just didn't want theirs. So they're like, hey, you can have them. And now it's time to clean them. Unfortunately, it's a lot of cleaning for little fish, but they are yummy. So I'll get to that, and then we'll get these things cooked up. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you go fishing for. And remember just to go outside and play.